This property is a great location, priced right, and turnkey. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As you enter this truly remarkable home, you'll notice the grand living room and dining room with high vaulted ceilings and loads of windows that bring in natural light. Inside, extensive renovations and high quality improvements create a truly move-in ready residence. Whether you need a home office, guest space, or sufficient space for multi-generational living, this property has it. The adjacent family room is accented by an oversized brick fireplace and wood mantel. The heart of the home is a remodeled kitchen with new quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, a breakfast nook, and sleek modern finishes, all overlooking a beautiful private backyard. I just love this backyard. It's private, it's lush, you back up to a greenbelt, you got a brick patio, perfect for dining and hanging out with your friends. You're gonna love this property. The spacious primary suite features high vaulted ceilings, a luxurious remodeled bathroom with new quartz countertops, dual vanity, a seamless glass shower enclosure, a Roman soaking tub, and a large walk-in closet. 2 additional upstairs bedrooms, one that could be a bonus room, share a remodeled secondary bathroom.